Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a bike check on my bike. So, let's start off at the top. We've got Kink. I don't even know what kind of Kink grips these are. I need a new pair. Got a hole right there, and like they're starting to wear out. But we've got ODI bar ends. I've got Kink Grizzly bars. Really nice. I've got some kind of United stem. I really have no clue what kind it is, but it's a United stem. I've got stock Sunday forks, stock front wheel with Tioga powerblock tires that I just got today. So yeah, it's raining out. Well, it's done raining, but it's wet. Stock Sunday AM frame, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, stock cranks, stock sprocket, stock chain, stock back wheel, another Tioga power block. These are 2.10, as you can see there, and Shadow Conspiracy bird seat. And my headset is just stock Sunday integrated headset with one spacer. That's just how it came. And seat clamp, just Sunday. Shout out to Rock Coffee and Powder Motorsports. That's my cousin's company type thing. And yeah, so that's my bike check. And yeah, sorry I don't know what the grips are. I could try to read it off right here. They're Kink Porgan or something. I don't know. I'll have to check, but yeah, so that's my bike check. Just put these new tires on today, and they look way better than the stock ones. And yeah, that's my bike check. Catch you later.